Hey guys, I'm up here in Mississippi again. I hope everyone's doing okay. Well, I went ahead and mounted my racks on top of the van there. I'm up here in Mississippi again at the Haunted Mansion. You see it behind me. And I just installed my racks up there. Next thing is to mount the solar panels. Now, I'll try to get video of that right now, but to do the racks, it was a little more complicated than I thought. It was just the instructions did not compute in my head. And I didn't go to YouTube to look at it. I just did the redneck thing and just hooked it all up, and it seems pretty sturdy. And I did the rocking test on it to make sure that it was sturdy, but everything seems copacetic right now. And next thing is to put brackets on the solar panels and put the solar panels on the racks. So right now I'm trying to mount the brackets on the solar panels. And right here, where I was mounting it, hear that? I'm afraid I'm gonna have a rattle if I mount them up there. Now maybe the weight won't do so much, but over bumps it might actually rattle. So I don't know what to do. Maybe I could get a piece of foam between them or something like that. If you have any comments, put them there. Let me know what you were thinking of or what you have done in the past with all the rattling and stuff from maybe the solar panels and stuff like that. Because I put the racks on top and they seem really sturdy and stuff like that. But, you know, again, this is non-stainless steel bolts right now, I think. And they don't have nylon around the nuts. And it also seems like it's gonna bump and rattle. So I might have to do a little editing after they're on the van. When I was putting on this way, that doesn't make sense, because when you look at the tongues there, sitting out there, those tongues, those seem like they have to go behind. So instead of doing it like that, I'm gonna do it like, shoot, I gotta find the hole. I'm gonna do it, yeah, like that. I'm gonna do it like that because that way the tongues are supporting the sides. I just didn't like it because it's gonna be up higher on the rack. But we're gonna try it like that to hear if we have any rocking, because obviously this one I showed you, you know, this could rack, or, you know, you can see that it's moving a little bit. So that would be hitting the sides. And if it hits the sides, then you know, like it's gonna rattle. And I see it bending already. So just do the tongues on the side. The tongues are smaller, less rattling. And if they still rattle when I go down this bumpy road through Mississippi, then I'll actually put like a piece of cork or a piece of rubber behind it to stop the rattling. Because the rattling is just annoying when you're going down the road. I don't like this feeling like a truck. I want it to feel like my home. Hey guys, sorry for all the sweating, but over here, I was gonna mount it like this, but it's too high because I put the brackets like that, but it looks like it's too high, so I'm gonna reverse the back brackets, I think. I reversed the brackets again, and now you can see how it's sitting right now, but I could still see it from the street. This is the view from like 5 feet away from the van. And if I tried to slide it further in, it'd be uneven. Well, I got one thing to do is screw them in and also drill a hole through the roof again. Yep, that's how I'm gonna mount the solar panels, I think. They won't squeeze in more because those lock nuts right there on the weld nuts, it won't slide in. So I have space between them, but it'll be okay. I'm exhausted right now. I tried to put the solar panels on the rack and I drilled through the racks and I tried to take the screws in it and it's so hard. So I think tomorrow I'm gonna drill through it and put bolts on it instead. So right now I'm just ending my day right now, because right now I'm drinking some beer to relax and tomorrow I'll wake up early and then go back to Lowe's or something like that, and then get more bolts and stuff like that, and then I'll put the solar panels on. But right now, that's what I'm doing. And tomorrow I'll drill through the side of the van and put in the shore power too. Okay? So, guys, if you want to see me again, subscribe to my videos. And also, you can put a like and you can comment if you want to do that. Okay? Have a great day, guys.